Finding a job in this country is the hardest thing I have ever seen. So making money is the hardest thing because getting capital to start is super hard. Definitely, I have seen people with degrees, certificates, diplomas, and they are not employed because I believe the population is too much or what. That's why you need to have a business. So in today's video, I'm gonna be talking about very unique business ideas that I believe can make you money, and you can make so much money with these ideas. You don't need a lot of capital to start. Some of them you need between 1,000 to 10,000 shillings or more, and you are good to go. You will be making so much profit. I'm gonna be talking about only those business ideas which will make you a lot of profit, like double. Tuseme ununue kitu thou, you make 2,000. As you begin this video, don't forget to like it so that it can reach as many people as possible, and also share, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first idea is home decor. I'm not talking about ordinary home decor. So if you go to Kamukunji, you will see some shops which have home decor stuff, and they sell them very cheaply. The last time I was there, I would see very nice wall clocks which look like art. Now unauziwa bei ya wholesale around 300 bob. A clock that I see in supermarkets going for around 2,000. So you can go to Kamukunji and get all those good stuff for home decor. I'm saying home decor specifically because a lot of people right now are venturing into buying stuff for their homes. So you have to look at what is in demand in the market right now. And if you go to many towns, there are no shops for home decor. Most people in towns have concentrated on selling clothes, selling shoes, electronics, so you won't see home decor stuff. And home decor are actually on demand right now. If you can go to Kamukunji and choose the best home decor items, make sure you select things like plants, those plastic plants which look so cute, so attractive, huge and cheap, so that if you buy one for 1,000, you can sell it at 2,500 or something of that sort. And then another thing for home decor, you can actually import. So I have a friend of mine, I'm thinking of bringing her here in this channel. What do you guys think? Comment down below. I can just give her this forum, akuje ni mu interview. She usually imports home decor items, and I believe importing is much cheaper, because if she imports like vases and imports like 10 pieces, so maybe 10 pieces going at 1,000, and when she comes with them here, they are very marketable. She doesn't have a shop, she just sells her stuff online. So you can also sell your stuff online if you don't want to have a shop to begin with, because definitely renting a shop is also so much work and it's expensive. Make sure that whenever you have clients, you have a group, maybe for WhatsApp. Whenever someone buys for you, you add them in that group so that you can be posting every new items that you have. That's how I see that girl surviving, and she makes a lot of money. That's her source of income, and she has a child. What do you guys think? Like this video and comment if you want me to invite her here to tell us how to import goods from China and UK. Another untapped business idea is e-commerce. E-commerce business is so good. This is whereby you don't have a physical shop, you have an online shop. So it's upon you to decide which goods you want to sell online. Most of the goods I see people selling are wigs. Like this wig, I bought it online, and also maybe shoes and dresses. Also, so many items you can actually sell online, maybe bedding and everything, electronics. So you just have your own items and then you open a shop. For example, in Kilimall, I'm gonna be using Kilimall or Jumia or those online shops. So you create your own account. You ukae ni kama mna partner na Kilimall. So you have your store in Kilimall, and then now in that store you're going to post pictures. You don't need to have so many items. You can start even with 2 pieces of bedding. So you just post the pictures of those 2. I can tell you for free, these online shops are better. It's better to open a store in an online shop because you're going to make so much profit, and also because There are so many people already using Kilimall, and so it's easier to reach out to people. E-commerce business is super good. If you don't want to use maybe Kilimall or Jumia stores, you can open your own store. Like you can have maybe a shop on Instagram, online shop. You see, online shop will save you a lot because you don't need to have a shop and you don't need to have so much stock. You can even start with 10 pieces of maybe that item. Let's say it's beddings, you can start with 10 pieces. Or if it's shoes, you can start with 10 pairs of shoes. Take very nice pictures and place them there. Everybody is going to have you. And I'm going to show you here an example of some stores I'm talking about online. You can see Kilimall is going to promote it for you. You can see the item has been bought by more than 100 people. So imagine if you have a specific item na uuzie watu 100, you're going to make so much money. So what do you guys think? Comment down below and tell me. In case of any question, ask me in the comment section. I'll definitely guide you on how to do that. Another very good business idea, although I don't want to talk about it much, it's wines and spirits. So for wines and spirits, I would advise you to incorporate it with online delivery. So don't just have a shop for wines and spirits. We all know that here haiwezi kosa customers. Like you can never ever go wrong with a wines and spirits shop. But then if you have a physical shop, utakuwa unasumbuliwa kanjo, polisi, and all that. So for me, if I would start a wines and spirits shop, it would be for online delivery only, because I don't want to be disturbed by those tax things, sijui polisi lazima umchote, sijui nini, all those disturbances. You can start with one which has online delivery. Also, this is related to e-commerce because now you have to post the kind of, drinks that you have, and people are going to buy them from there. Another untapped business that I've been thinking about so much is cleaning services. So I feel like so many people have not ventured into this, and you can be among the first person to offer cleaning services and get paid. So what you do, you just need to have 5,000 to start with. So what you do, you clean for people, and you can also offer after service things like organizing. So you can have like a card that you give to people to tell them that you offer cleaning services. So when you're called, you just go wash laundry, clean the carpets, clean the mat, and then now you need money because you will come with your own items, and that's what you're going to charge because you're coming with your staff. So you're not going to do the ordinary cleaning. Obviously you will have to have ukwe tu na tu staff twako to different, to kuonyesha you are kind of like a company. This is a very lucrative business. Then after now, you can offer organizing services. So you can tell people, I'm going to arrange this room for you. I'm going to do a makeover on your sitting room. So if you are good at these things, if you are good at organizing, you can offer these things. Unaorganizea mtu bedroom. I know a lot of people who always wonder where they can get people to organize for them. So kama unajua kuorganize vizuri, this is a very lucrative business, especially in big towns. And you need to market yourself. For this one, you have to market yourself, and then you need to take it serious. Ikue kama company. So you can start a company and you'll make so much money. I can assure you guys, you're not going to go lost if you start a cleaning company. The untapped business is sewing. You can never ever go wrong with clothes. So I'm not talking about ordinary sewing. I'm talking about being unique. Have your own unique thing. For example, if you look at Nguo Affordable, it's an Instagram shop where they only do ankara, and they have specialized in that, and so many people know them, and that's it. You see, the thing is, you have to be consistent. If you're consistent, you're good to go. So you can try and be unique in your own way. You have something like a shop online. Definitely, if you want to run business right now, you need to be present online. You cannot do anything right now if you're not online. So if you want to market your products easily, if you want your products to go, you have to be present online. So you can strategize and be unique, have your own products, be consistent. Usipotee ati after siku mbili. That's the thing. If you come online, usiwahi potea, ukae na ukae. I believe it's a very good business idea. You can make over even 10 sales in a day, and imagine you're making 10 sales na kila nguo hapo iko na profit ya kama 500 ama 1000. Even if you employ workers, you still get to pay them. That's why you see many people doing so much well with just selling stuff online. It's a very lucrative way and it's easier, because you don't go out looking for clients, you know. The only thing you need is to market your stuff. Another best untapped business idea is events planning. So for events planning, you need to have it all. Like, you need to have your own MC, make sure you have a DJ, you have your system, because if you have all that, you'll make more profit. But you can always start from what you have, guys. You don't need to pressure yourself so much. The good thing with events planning is that before you can go to plan an event, they have to give you the customer has to give you a down payment. So you are the one to price, you make your own prices, and then have once they give you the down payment, you can use it now to buy flowers, to buy balloons, to decorate, you see. So you don't have to struggle much, and then with time you can have your own tents and seats, so that once you go maybe to bargain for an event, you tell the person, I will come with everything. I'm going to give you a DJ, I'm going to give you an MC, I will decorate, I will give you tents and seats. So the work of the person is to just show up. I believe many people love those kind of planners. For me, I would go for an event planner that will do it all for me. And definitely, if you do it all, you're going to charge much more money, and so you'll make more profit. And also, I've forgotten to say, you can also know how to bake. Make sure you have the skills, the baking skills, and then you can do it all. If it's a Rora show, unaenda na cake, umebake everything. If it's a wedding, you've baked, you've done everything. If it's maybe bridal shower, all those events, if you can do everything, then I believe you're going to make much more profit. The good thing with it is that it's a side hustle. You don't have to make it your full-time job. So you can easily make money with it while you have a full-time job or while you have other side hustles. Another business idea that could make you money is photography, but definitely your approach now is what will determine whether you'll make money. So make sure you have very good photos. You can take good photos, edit them well. I don't like the fake photos. Obviously, everyone loves a natural, but edited. So if you're good at editing, you can actually make so much money with photography. But the only thing is that nowadays there are so many photographers, so I'm not really going to concentrate on this because it will all depend on your approach towards it. So, but if you have a camera, you can start. The reason why I believe photographers make a lot of money, it's because they charge per hour. So you find most of the time it's 2K per hour or something. I don't know, depends with their location. But also you can combine photography with the events planning, so you can make it one thing. But I believe photography is one of the main things right now. Like, so many people want photos from studio. So like, hata ukienda Instagram, many people post photos which have been taken by cameras. And also you can be a street photographer. This is something else that is making so much money. So if you are jobless, you don't have anything, you can try being a street photographer, or go to a location where there is a university or a college. That way, I can assure you, you're going to make so much money. So it will always depend on your strategy and your location too. I believe in case you have any question, you'll ask in the comment section down below. Definitely, I'm going to answer you guys. I love engaging you. I love when we interact in the comment section. So make sure, guys, you like this video. And comment down below, tell me what you'd love to see in the next video. Also tell me any opinion you have. I'll definitely reply. We can chat. Also, you can DM me on Instagram in case of personal questions. I'll definitely answer you guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. For those who haven't, please hit it. It's down here, somewhere here. Hit the subscribe button so that you'll see this pretty face again. That's it, guys. Also, guys, check out my other channel. Subscribe, you know, Life as Kiki. That's where I do my vlogs, in case you didn't know. Yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Hoping to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, bye 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 bye.